Hey guys, what's going on? I hope y'all are doing well. So I'm back with another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm out here with... So this video is, as you saw in the title, is the unboxing and installing of cool white HD Torchbeam headlights for my 2007 Honda Odyssey. And we'll cut right to it. So here's the box, and in it we have two rather small pair of gloves to work with, but this job is relatively not dirty, so you won't be needing them. Some zip ties and some safety instruction manuals as usual. And here we have two LED headlights that we will be installing.
Black and white. Yeah. Black and white. Oh. 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 Just black and white. No more. Black and white, just let me go. It's only right. For all I know, it's only matter. It's calico, it's black and white. White, white, white. Just let me go. It's only right. For all I know, it's only matter. It's calico, it's black and white. White, white, white.